Welcome to Practical 7 Engineer with Engineer Wasim Alam, and today our new topic is how to find the quantity of a bricks in one CFT. As we said that one CFT, one CFT is equal to 13.5 bricks. So today we have to prove that. For example, this is 1 cubic foot, 1 cubic length, width and height xyz, all are 1 foot, so it is called 1 cubic feet. So we have to calculate the number of bricks in that. So for that we have to give dimension to the brick normally, which length will be 9 inches, width will be 4.5 inches of that brick, and height of the brick which will be 3 inches. So for example, this is a brick, this is a brick, so that length is 9, that width is 4.5 inches, and that height is 3 inches. So we have to find the number of bricks. So for that, as we know that volume of brick is equal to length cross width cross height. So we know the length, which is 9 multiply 4.5 multiply 3, all in inches. So the volume of brick will be 1 to 1.5 inches cube. That is the volume. Now we have to find volume of brick with mortar, that is without mortar, and we have to find now with mortar. Volume of brick with mortar. For that, as we know that length cross width cross height, but we have in our mind that, or you have to remember that mortar thickness will be always 0.08 inches. That will be the thickness of mortar in a brick wall. So for that you have to add that 0.08 with the dimension of the brick. For example, this is 9, so it will be volume of brick with mortar. So 9.08 multiply width is 4.5, so 4.58 multiply h3, so 3.08 inches. That will be volume of a brick with mortar. So it will give us volume of brick with mortar will be 0.074 CFT. Sorry, not CFT. It will give us 128 inch cube, but we have to convert this into CFT. So for that, 128 divided by 12 cross 12 cross 12, because this is an inch cube, we have to convert this into CFT. So for that we have to divide into 12 cross 12 cross 12. In one foot we have 12 inches. For that we have to divide this into 12 cross 12 cross 12. So it will give us 0.074 CFT. That will be the volume of a brick with mortar. Now number of bricks is equal to volume of 1 CFT divided by volume of 1 brick with mortar, right? So volume of 1 CFT, that will be 1. We have to find this into 1 CFT divided by 0.074. It will give us 13.5 bricks. Hence proved. So we find the number of bricks in 1 CFT. So for that, this is all about that. So if you have a problem in this or you want to discuss another topic, you can comment. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.